Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your CPU uses. Many of the people getting 100% CPU uses, so how you can fix it, I'm going to show you that in this video. Let's get started. First go to the start menu and type create restore point. We're going to create a restore point. If anything goes wrong we can restore it. Go to the system file, go to configure and turn on system protections, max usage to 2% and apply OK. Now create and type anything you want. Now click OK. Now go to the link in the description and you will find this page. Right click this CPU uses fix, go to download and you will download a zip file. So you have to extract that zip file. To extract that zip file, I will leave a link for WinRAR. You can also extract with 7-zip. Download the WinRAR and you can extract it. After extracting, you will find this folder. In this folder there is 3 folders. Go to the first one, disable wind tracking, and double click this disable wind tracking.exe. Now check everything in here. After checking everything and check the service method, disable mode privacy. Now click on go. After doing this, go back to CPU uses fix, go to quick CPU and install this quick CPU setup. After installing, go to the start menu and right click, go to power settings and additional power settings. Now balance will already be selected. All you have to do, go to show additional programs and you will find high performance in here. Click high performance, go to change plan settings, change advanced power settings, and under the hard disk section go to the settings and set this value to 0. Now apply OK. Now you can close this and now you can open quick CPU. I'm gonna open quick CPU from here. After opening quick CPU, beside the system power plan, go to this drop down menu and select high performance and make sure all these lines at 100%. Now click apply and you can close it. We're done with this software. Go back to CPU uses fix. Now open this ultimate Windows tweaker. Open this exe file. Go to the performance section and check everything except these 3. Copy these settings, click apply tweaks. Now you can close it. After doing this, go to the start menu and type run and click this run and type here %temp%. Then click OK and delete all these files and go again to the run and type prefetch and delete all of this. Again go and type temp and if anything is in there, delete all of this. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will answer all of your questions. Till then, have fun, take care, peace.